Ooh, we're supposed to ride the Newport 200 today, but I came back from work on Friday commuting. I just didn't feel like it. So instead, I'm out on the canal doing an easy 9k with the trail dog. Kaffi the trail dog. No lead required. Trained from being, don't know, 2 months old. Doesn't always have to be big miles. The second road bit. Dog is used to run next to me. Okay, sit. Dog likes its water stops. Come on now, let's keep going. A wet reservoir. Lines are sizzling today. Reservoir from the top. Manchester in the background. Lovely. So my YouTube channel is also supposed to be about politics. So what has happened this week? Well, the international courts have decided that Israel has got a case to answer for genocide, and our Labour politicians have sort of remembered 75 years since the Holocaust happened, but they have absolutely nothing to say about an ally state potentially having to defend itself against a genocide case. Meanwhile, this week at the Labour meeting in Stockport, a Palestinian who's lost his family was like removed by security guards from a meeting like attended by my own MP Jonathan Reynolds and Angela Rayner. Nice. The choice we will have at the next general election. Incredibly mild tonight. Didn't realize I could have done with lights tonight. Must be later than I thought it was.